Okay, everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cockapoo. A cockapoo is a combination of a cocker spaniel and a poodle, and it is a furry, very sweet, gentle animal that is a lot of fun to have. I am going to use a building method where I use 4 basic forms. So I'm going to begin by doing the head. And I look at my page and decide where the head should be. I'm going to put the head right here. And it's basically an egg shape. I do this in pencil because it's going to be erased after. And I'm tilting it a little bit, putting where the eyes are going to go, doing a horizontal line for that. The bottom of the snout or the nose area. Then the actual nose, which will be an oval. It's fairly wide. The mouth. The bottom of the eyes. And the top of the eyes, which is just like the top part of a human eye. And then the eyebrows. I'm going to put an oval here for the nose. And then I'm going to figure out where the ears are going to go. And I'm going to do ovals for the ears. That's what you do, just put it in right there next to the head, overlapping a little bit. Then the shoulders. And the front legs. So I'm bringing the straight lines down for the front legs. And that's actually shaped like cylinders. And then right down here is paws. And each toe is actually a cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then his body shape, it's kind of like a big egg, just like so. And then his back leg, again, a cylinder attaching to the body, and his other back leg, which you can only see a little bit of. And then the tail is a series of cylinders. I'm going to just bend this around for where it's the direction it would be going in. Same here. And I'm going to give him a ball right there, right in front of his foot, like so. And put a line for where the floor and the wall meet. And then indicate some lines that get smaller in the back and larger in the front, starting from this area. For the floorboards, radiating out from that area. Just like so. Okay. Now, the next step would be to take your marker and make him look furry. So, I'm going to start with the top of the head, coming out from a middle point, going down on his face, under here to his chin. Then make what looks almost like an A shape, but leave a little line open at the top. And you want to do what almost looks like a mustache. So you're just going to do some zigzags in here and then bring that up. Bring it up in the middle. And then what you want to do is just make a U and color that in a little for a shadow. And then do his nose and leave a little white area for highlight. I'm going to go over his eyes. And then do circles cut off at the top. Make sure you leave that white inside so it sparkles. And do his eyebrow, which is zigzag. And you're going to work on his ears, which is zigzag. I'm going to make this part kind of pop up a little bit. Give it life. Up and then out and around. You don't have to be too tight. He's so cute. All right. This one looks like this ear is a little bit over and that one's behind. So I'm going to actually show the inside of the ear on that side. So cute. All right. Then maybe just put a little bit more of those lines to make it look furry. Okay. And I put a line under his lip. And I'm going to do now his shoulder and his back. And then I'm going to work on his front paws. His front legs. Then go over to his paws. Following those lines, those curved lines of his toes. Put his ball in. Put a little shadow right there and maybe a little highlight up here. Do his bottom leg. His other bottom leg and then his belly. Put some more hairlines in his belly. Put a little bit more of those hairlines here. Those fur lines. And I put a little bit here too. So when I color him, I'm going to have some white around in here. And I'd like to have some white on his paws. And then go around on the tail the same way. Make sure it's nice and furry. And I'm going to draw that line across there. It shows the wall and the floor. And then just quickly draw some lines that shows the floorboards. And then it's ready for coloring. He looks quite cheerful.